Hello, namaste, all dear learners. In our video, we discuss about the area of solid, respect to the cuboid and cube. And in this video, I'm going to discuss volume of the solid. And solid I've taken cube and cuboid over here. So two questions I do have to discuss here. First question is here: a room which is in the shape of cuboid is 4 meter long, 3 meter broad, and has air of 6 meter cube contained inside of it. If the room is rebuilt by increasing each of its length, breadth, and height by 1 meter, so find the measures of its new dimensions. So first thing what you have to do here is we are given length and breadth of the room, is it? And height is not given, that we have to find first. And what's said here, this room contains 60 meter cube of air. It means what? It is the volume of the room, right? So with what we are given, let's copy down first here. Length we are given 4 meter, breadth we are given here 3 meter, and volume of the room, right? We are given here volume of the room is equal to 60 meter cube, right? And volume is the volume of the room is per cup is 3 dimensions, so it's L into B into H, that equal to 60, is it? And then length and breadth what we are given, let's keep here. Length 4 meter given, breadth 3 meter. I'm not keeping unit right now, at in only I'll be keeping. We may also do the same way. So 4 3 is 12 we get, into H equal to 60. So H will get here 60 divided by 12. So therefore H equal to 5 meter, is it? So height of the room we got here 5 meter. Height of the room, height of the room we got here 5 meter. Right. And after finding all 3 dimensions of the room, now let's deal with the task question over here. Here says if the room is rebuilt, is it? So room is again it's reconstructed by increasing each of its length, breadth, and height by 1 meter. So find the measures of new dimensions. So here thing is what? Length, breadth, and height each are increased by 1 meter, right? So length increased by 1 meter, breadth increased by 1 meter, and height. So this can be in 2 ways, right? So let's make here let's consider here room, right? Okay. Now I'm making, right? So it may take a bit time. Okay, so I'm drawing here by hand. Okay, so this is the room, right? Now its length, breadth, and height we have found, right? So here length is 4 meter, breadth is 3 meter, and height is 5 meter. And now thing is what? Its length, these all 3 sides 4, 3, and 5, which are given as length, breadth, and height, these each of these sides are increased by 1 meter on one side, right? So here increase of 1 meter in length, increase of 1 meter in the breadth, and increase of height 1 meter, right? So here what happens, new dimension has been formed, right? Length, breadth, height each are increased by 1 meter. So we can find here new dimensions, length, breadth, and height, right? So you say here new length, is it? So new length is here, first it was 4 meter, now 1 meter added, is it? So 5 meter. It can be done on both sides. It's not said length, all 3 dimensions are increased in both sides. So this in one side increase we need to consider here. So the new length is 5 meter, and new breadth. New breadth. So breadth is the 3 meter originally, and 1 meter increase. So new breadth is here 4 meter, and new height. new height. Original height was 5 meter, so 1 meter increased, is it? So new height becomes here 6 meter. So thing is done. And if you are asked to find the volume, or if you are asked to find how much meter cube of air is contained in new room, we can find by getting product of these three new dimensions, length, breadth and height. So it's of number A. I made it clear. Now let's go with number B. Okay, so to make clear with, to deal with B, I copy this question and paste down over. Okay, so it said here, a cubicle shaped cold storeroom has length of 4 meters. So how many liters of liquid can it hold? Right. So I'm taking here one diagram to make it more clear. Okay, so let this be the cold store, right? It's actually tank over there. I'm considering this as the cold store room, and which has its length, breadth and height is 4 meter, length 4 meter, breadth 4 meter and height 4 meter, which is cubicle room, right? A cubicle shaped storeroom. And our question is what? How many liters of liquid it can hold at maximum, right? So for finding that, first we have to find its volume. So let's find the volume of the room, volume of the store, cubicle store you can say, is it? Volume of cubicle storeroom. So it is what? It is L cube, is it? So length is given 4 meters, so 4 meter whole cube. So it's 4 into 4 into 4, is it? So 4 4 64, is it? 64 into 4, 4 4 16, is it? 6 4 24 and 1 2 25. So 255, so 256 meter cube is the volume of the storeroom. And after finding the volume of the storeroom, we need to understand one another thing, is how many liters could it be hold per some meter cube, is it? That is 1 meter cube, right? So we need to know that 1 meter cube holds 1000 liters of water or 1000 liters of liquid, right? See your liquid, right? And now we do have here 256 meter cube. So using unitary meter, 256 meter cube holds 1000 into 256 liters of liquid. So it gets here 256,000 liters of liquid. So therefore the required answer is 256,000 liters of liquid, right? So that must would it be held by the cold store room. Okay, so I made it clear with number this B. So it was of this volume of solid, where solid is taken cuboid and cube. Thank you for watching.